Clipchamp has many great features, and auto-captions is one of them. You can remove pauses and things like that. So if you go to the playlist at the end, you can learn how to do more things with Clipchamp. If you haven't got Clipchamp on your PC, then you can download it. We've got instructions on how you can use it online. So go to playlist at the end. Hope you enjoyed the video. Video editing, so create a new video, import media, so I've added that by clicking on the plus sign now. You can drag it down. Then you go to captions up in the top right hand corner, try now, select your language, so I'm in the UK, so transcribe media. So it's working away, can you see it? If you turn the volume down, if you mute it, you won't get this while running. So when if I go over to here, just shut up now whilst it works. Watch the next video to make sure you learn how to make your Canva designs better. Check out the playlist at the end for more valuable tips and tricks. So that bloke there said all I needed to say. So when you're ready, you can export it. So if we watch the video now, make sure you learn how to make your Canva designs better. Check out the playlist at the end for more valuable tips and tricks. So if you want to, you can go back here and you can download the SRT file. So when you go to there, it goes into your downloads folder. Hope you like this video. Check out the playlist at the end.